Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's Vlogmas Day 18 and we are doing an unboxing. Alrighty guys, so I received my last BoxyCharm for this year. This is the December box. I only got one box. I don't know if they're not giving me just my standard box. I think this might be the premium. Because I actually unsubscribed from the Lux. One of the two, but I don't have all three anymore. So this is the only box I received this week. So hopefully, I don't know, maybe I'll get another one, but maybe I won't. One of the weird things with BoxyCharm for me is that on a month where I should be receiving 2 boxes, I'm only receiving 1. And I don't know if they feel like, oh, well, since you have, you know, the premium or the Lux, again, I don't remember which one I have, but like you only get 1 box. Like if I have both subscriptions, I want both boxes, you know? But let's go ahead and see what we have. Ooh. So it says bubbles and glitz. I kind of feel like this is like super New Year's themed. I'm not gonna look at the back because that's gonna tell me everything we got, and we want it to be a surprise, so we're gonna go ahead and just jump into the box. Okay, so the first thing here is something that says Luxy. I'm going to assume that these are some brushes, and I think I might be right. And I am. So we have a gold set of brushes. So it comes with a nice carrying pouch, and it looks like this one right here is gonna be perfect for contour. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use it. I really don't buy brushes. The last brushes I bought were from Morphe, just on a random, you know, spending spree. But typically I just wait for BoxyCharm to give me some brushes because they always come through. So okay, so the next thing we have here is, so it says Rockin's Cosmetics, and it says it's called Hot Mess. Get into a hot mess with Rockin's black, blue, and green glitter eye gel pens. Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay, so they are gel eye pens. Oh, they're all like individually wrapped. Okay, so this is the black pen. I'm gonna just swatch that. Ooh, that just glides really easily. Let's see the green. Nice. So these are like going to be perfect for like your waterline. I actually don't have, I have some colored eyeliners, but I don't have a lot. So thank you for these, BoxyCharm. So this is something wrapped in some like wrapping paper. What is this? Oh, the Lifestyle Co. 100% natural temple rub, and it's calming. Okay, let me see if it has a smell. Oh, that's why they put it in that thing, because it is oily. Ooh. It smells like eucalyptus or something like calming like that. Oh, it's all over my fingers though, but that's cool. That's actually a really nice little touch for them to put in there. And low-key looks like they kind of just had some of these left over and they just kind of threw that in there. But let's see what else. Okay, so this is the Good Genes all-in-one lactic acid treatment. So it exfoliates the dull skin and gives you clarity, vibrance, and younger looking skin. Instantly plumps the look of lines and wrinkles in 3 minutes. This is by Sunday Riley. So I'm interested to see how this works. I've actually been doing a whole like new skincare routine. I think I'm gonna be showing you guys that in one of these Vlogmas days, but I have been doing something that is just like, it's been really great for my skin. And normally around this time of the year, this is when my skin starts having like its, you know, episodes and has like the patchiness and discoloration. I've actually been having a really good hold on it. So I will be showing you guys my skincare routine. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss it. And it looks like we have something else in here. Oh, we have another palette from Hip Dot. So I actually received a Hip Dot palette from BoxyCharm maybe in October, and I loved it. I did the Galaxy Girl makeup look with that one. I'll link that down below. But this one is called the C Note, and I just feel like these colors are ready, sis. I'm about to, oh my gosh, wait, let me take a fancy coffee. Hold on. Look at, oh my gosh. Those are so freaking pretty. Oh my god, I want to take this makeup off right now. I want to play with this. Like, look at these aquas and teals and blues. And it's crazy because I did a blue look and I was just like, damn, I don't really have no blue eyeshadows. And this is probably gonna be the next look. It's probably gonna be the next look. Give this a thumbs up if you guys want to see a look with this, but like low key, this is gonna be the next look. Okay, so I have something from Iconic London. So these were the Luminous Drops that I got. I got the Luminous Drops from them in a BoxyCharm. It was a little bit too light, a little bit too much, but I make it work. But let's see what this is. I think this is a blush palette. Let me see. Yes, it is a Blaze face palette. So apparently this is supposed to be the contour. That's not gonna work for me. I don't know why BoxyCharm does that. I told you guys about me doing the complexion quiz and all that stuff, and BoxyCharm still sometimes sends me things that are a little bit too light. I'm gonna swatch it and see if it's gonna show up on my hand. Yeah, no, that's not it. But I definitely think I can utilize like the blush in here and the highlighters, but that contour shade is not. Oh, a teeth whitening kit. So this is by Butte. It has like an injectable cartridge and something that you like put in there. It has an LED light. So BoxyCharm did send me some teeth whitening pens. I've yet to use them. I think I did use them once, but then they told me like I couldn't eat for like 30 minutes and I was just like, okay, well, let me take this off. So I never actually fully gave it a chance, but here is a teeth whitening kit and that is pretty exciting. I feel like my teeth, they can be whiter. They're pretty light, but they could be whiter. Okay, so we actually have one more thing, and that is the Avant Glycolic Mica Argentine Urea Shea Butter. What the f is that? Intensive redensifying glycolic acid and daily moisturizer. Apply in the morning after cleansing and applying your serum. Okay, so I've never ever really heard of anything like this, and like I said, I'm getting into skincare a little bit more, especially now with BoxyCharm, so I think I'll give it a try. I don't know, this just sounds like this gonna burn. My skin's sensitive, so I'd be like very hesitant to try new things. Some things I'll give it a try, but like stuff that says glycolic Mica Argentine, no, that sounds like a lot, but maybe I'll give it a chance. It's just a moisturizer, so I mean, it shouldn't be that bad. But this is the last BoxyCharm of this year, and now honestly speaking, I think BoxyCharm is great. I think it is a very nice, you know, fun incentive every month to receive a bunch of products, offer one flat rate, you know, without having to buy each product individually. And as you guys have seen in the past, some of these products have been like $80, some of them are like $12, but a lot of them have really pricey items in it, and I feel like that's where the box makes the most sense when you're getting those high price items. I did have a situation where one of my boxes came open and two of the most expensive items in there were missing, but BoxyCharm is really great. They resent me everything that I was missing, and I will say this. I don't feel like you have to have BoxyCharm. I didn't put a mascara on my lower lashes. I don't know why I just thought about that right now, but I didn't put a mascara on there, girl, what? But I don't feel like you have to have all three of the BoxyCharm boxes. Again, like I said, I did cancel one of the three that I was subscribed for because I just felt like it was low-key like, not repetitive, but it just really wasn't necessary. Like I would get two boxes that were really good and then that third box would just be like, ugh. So I mean, if you don't mind spending the coins on having this box come every month and getting, you know, obviously more value for your dollar, then I definitely think you'll love BoxyCharm. Again, I don't think you need to have all three subscriptions, but I definitely think you'll find usage out of BoxyCharm. Again, some of the stuff has been perfect and amazing for me, and some of the stuff, even after doing the skin complexion quiz, just wasn't something suitable for me. So it's half and half. I would say 60% of me is saying you should definitely sign up for BoxyCharm. 40% of me is saying just go to the store and buy your stuff yourself. But again, I feel like exposing me to new brands and giving me new products that I typically wouldn't gravitate towards, BoxyCharm is perfect for that. So if you guys like this video and if you guys have been enjoying these BoxyCharm videos throughout the year, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I think I'm still going to continue BoxyCharm going into 2021, but I don't know, maybe I'll try a different box subscription. I will do my research and I will let you guys know, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys have not, make sure to check out Vlogmas Day 1 through 17. That just feels so good to say. And I've made 17 videos already this month and I feel so accomplished. Like I said, if you guys like these, make sure to give them a thumbs up. If you guys haven't seen like the previous Boxy Charms, I'll go ahead and I'll link all of those down below as well, just so that you guys can kind of, you know, decipher if you guys want to sign up for it. At this point, like, I signed up for Boxy Charm earlier this year, so at this point I feel like if you looked at all the boxes that I've received and you don't feel like that's anything that you would ever use, save your coins, sis. But if you feel like there's some stuff that might have been of value to you in your beauty routines or your life, definitely sign up for it. Give it a chance. You can always cancel, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not, and hit that notification bell. And I did not record today's look, right? So I was just like, you know what, let me go ahead and beat face so I can do my unboxing. But I really, really, really like how today's look turned out. Like, I was like, besides the fact that I forgot to put on bottom mascara. But if you guys want to see this makeup routine, if you guys are interested in it, 9 times out of 10 I'm gonna film it anyway. Just let me know if you guys want to see it. If you guys don't already, please make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And I will see you guys in Vlogmas Day 19.